Good evening viewers, welcome to Tenimax. I am moving to continue example 4.17. Question given 4 subdivision, so one by one we can discuss. Subdivision 1, cos inverse cos of 13 pi by 3, isn't it? So now the basic concept, cos inverse of cos x is equal to x when x belongs to 0 to pi. So given condition, cos inverse cos 13 pi by 3 is equal to, consider for the x படி எடுத்தோம்னா is equal to x ன்னு எடுத்தோம்னா 13 pi by 3 we can say it's not equal, isn't it? It's not equal means it's not belongs to 0 to pi. அதாவது இது எப்படி சொல்கிறோன்னா, இப்போ 13 into 180 by 3 கேன்சல் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு இங்கே எவ்வளோ வரும்? 5 3s are 60 degree. ஸோ 60 into 13 மீன்ஸ் கண்டிப்பாக வந்துட்டு 180க்குள்ளே வரல, மேலே தான் போகுது. அப்போது இதை நீங்கள் சிம்பிளாக சொல்லணும்னா இட்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 13 by 3ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது டஸ் நாட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு 0 to pi சொன்னாலே போதும். ஓகே, அப்போது இது என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா ஜஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணுறோம். காஸ் இன்வர்ஸ் காஸ் ஆஃப் எப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாம்? 13 pi மீன்ஸ் 2 pi, otherwise 4 pi plus pi by 3. See, 3 into 4 12, 12 pi plus pi means 13 pi by 3. So now cos 4 pi plus theta is equal to, what is answer? Cos 4 pi plus theta means, look at there, 0 to pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi plus means first quadrant means all silver teacup, all the value positive, therefore we can write it directly cos theta. So now cos inverse cos 4 pi plus theta means cos pi by 3. Now cos inverse cos cancel means definitely pi by 3, it belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, subdivision 1 is over. Moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. Now tan inverse, the basic form, tan inverse into tan x is equal to x means x belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. That means negative 92, positive 90. So condition படி tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4 எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? Definitely 3 pi by 4 it does not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. Cancel பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது 3 into 180 by 4. So 180 by 4 means 45. 45 into 3 means definitely we can say 45 plus 45 means 90. 90 plus 45 is equal to 135. It lies on second quadrant. Number condition body minus pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So we can sure it's not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So just we have to rearrange it. So tan inverse means tan of 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4. See, 4 into pi means 5. Sorry, 4 into 5 means 4 pi. 4 pi minus 5 means 3 pi by 4. So tan pi minus theta. So tan pi minus theta means, so this is 0 to pi, pi minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant means all silver teacup, sign and reciprocal of sign only positive. Tan belongs to third quadrant. Therefore tan pi minus theta is equal to tan theta but minus, therefore tan inverse of tan pi by 4 but minus, therefore we know one formula, tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of x. Therefore, we can write it. Otherwise, tan pi by 4 means we can write it directly 1 no. So, no need to utilize this formula actually. Directly we can write it tan inverse of tan pi by 4 means 1 but minus sign is there. This is whole term considered for y means. So, tan inverse bring out opposite side means tan y is equal to minus 1. So, tan y is equal to minus 1 means definitely tan negative means second and fourth quadrant. So, second and fourth quadrant, so range negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2 for tan. அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக ஃபோர்த்து குவாட்ரண்ட் கன்சிடர் பண்ணப்போ ஆல் சில்வர் டீ கப் காஸ்ட் ஒன்லி பாசிட்டிவ். ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி வி கேன் சே ஸோ ஒய் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு tan pi by 4 வேல்யூ தான் 1. தேர்ஃபோர் பட் இங்கே நெகட்டிவ் சைன் வரதுனால நெகட்டிவ் pi by 4 போடுறோம். அப்போ ஒய்யை வந்து நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணியிருந்தோம் tan inverse of minus 1 isn't it? Therefore final answer tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to negative pi by 4. It belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, subdivision 2 is over. Moving to subdivision 3rd. Third, secant inverse secant of 5 pi by 3. So, the main condition secant inverse of secant x is equal to x when x belongs to 0 to pi, because reciprocal of cos no 0 to pi it's except pi by 2. So, condition secant inverse secant of 5 pi by 3. So, 5 pi by 3 means consider 5 pi by 3 it does not belongs to 0 to pi except pi by 2. How? Look at there 5 pi isn't it? So, therefore 5 into 180 by 3. So, 180 by 3 means 60. 6 into 5 means 300. Definitely we can say it lies on fourth quadrant. But given condition 0 to 180 except 90. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த ரேஞ்சில் தான் வரணும். அப்போது just we have to rearrange it. So, secant inverse secant of 5 by 3 means so 2 pi minus pi by 3. So, 2 pi means 2 into 3 6. 6 pi minus pi means 5 pi by 3. So, therefore secant 2 pi minus theta is equal to what is answer? Secant 2 pi minus theta means so pi 2 pi but minus fourth quadrant means definitely we can say cos and reciprocal of cos means secant. So, we can sure positive isn't it? Secant theta. Therefore, secant inverse of secant pi by 3. So, secant inverse secant cancel means pi by 3 it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by sorry my dear 0 to pi except pi by 2 isn't it? Except pi by 2. ஏன்னா சீக்கோன் காஸோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் தான் சீக்கன். காஸோடைய வந்து டொமைன் நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும் 0 to pi குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ சீக்கன் இன்வர்ஸில் வரும்போது அதுக்கு வந்துட்டு எக்ஸப்ட் pi by 2 மட்டும் வரும். ஏன்னா வந்துட்டு இது pi by 2ல் வரும்போது இன்ஃபினிட்டியாக மாறிடும். அதனால தான் எக்ஸப்ட் pi by 2 எடுக்கிறோம் சீக்கன் இன்வர்ஸில். ஓகே, மூவிங் டு சப்டிவிஷன் 4. So, subdivision 4 sin inverse sin 10. நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி we have done with 3 problem piன்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய வேறு வேல்யூ வரும். There is only number term. First we have to add one pi both side numerator and denominator, then only we can apply to find out easy answer. Okay, so what we have to do, sin inverse sin 10 pi by pi. Next Sine inverse sine 10 pi. Instead of pi, we can apply 22 by 7. Again, reciprocal means 7 going to numerator. So, sine inverse sine 7 into 10 pi by 22. So, sine inverse sine 7 into 10 means 70 pi by 22. 70, 22 cancel means 35 by 11. So, we can write it sine inverse of sine 35 by 11. So, now we can apply the normal method. So, listen very carefully. Sine inverse of sin x is equal to x when x belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, given answer, found answer, what the answer? Sine inverse of sine 35 by 11 means is equal to 35 by 11. It does not belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So, just we have to rearrange it. Sine inverse of sine 35, isn't it? So, 35 means definitely 4 pi. So, yeah, 3 pi, see 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Look at there, 3 pi plus 3 pi plus 2 pi by 11. See, 3 into 11, 33. 33 pi plus 2 pi means 35. So, we can write it 3 pi plus 2 pi by 11. So, now the basic formula sin 3 pi plus theta is equal to, yeah, I will write it here, 3 pi. So, 0 to pi, 2 pi, again 3 pi, but plus, isn't it? So, plus means tan, definitely tan only positive or silver teacup. So, tan positive, therefore, 3 pi plus minus sign will come, isn't it? So, sin 3 pi plus theta is equal to sin theta but negative. So, answer sin inverse sin 3 pi plus theta means sin 2 pi by 11 come, isn't it? Sin 2 pi by 11 but minus, isn't it? So, sin நமக்கு already தெரியும் sin inverse of x, sin inverse of minus x is equal to what is the formula? Minus sin inverse of x. Therefore, minus sin inverse sin of 2 pi by 11. Again, sin inverse sin cancel means answer will be minus 2 pi by 11. It belongs to, so it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. But in your book, answer they have given 3 pi minus 10, isn't it? So, 3 pi minus 10. This is the correct answer. Now, pi ki padala minus 2 into 22 by 11 into 7 podumbo. So, 11 and 22 cancel ஆகும்போது 2 times. So, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 by 7 வருதா? நான் இங்கே கண்டுபிடிச்ச ஆன்சருக்கு ஆன்சர் காட்டுறேன். இப்போ இதுக்கு நம்ம எடுக்கும் என்ன ஆகும்? ஸோ 3 into 22 by 7 minus 10. கண்டிப்பாக என்ன ஆகும்? 3 into 22 66. 66 by 7 minus 10. கண்டிப்பாக என்ன ஆகும் பாருங்கள். 66 இதை கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது minus 70 by 7. So, again also 66 minus 70 is equal to minus 457. So, இந்த ஆன்சர் தான் இங்கே வந்திருக்கு. அப்போ நமக்கு இந்த ஆன்சர் வந்துட்டு கரெக்டான டைம். ஓகே, minus 2 pi by 11, it belongs to negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. It's correct answer. Okay. So, please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay. Thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye-bye.